some of the families are like disabled, elderly, and they can't physically plant. So the youth who've been out of school, they come and they plant their area. Yeah. So because we want every square meter to be productive.
Right.
So we produce, in terms of root and green vegetables, we produce probably a surplus of 2 to 3 tons surplus every week. Yeah, from this town.